Hi viewers, this is Vinay Chandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
Now we can represent the eighth problem in a diagrammatic. It's very easy. So there is a two track. So you just draw the two parallel track. Okay. Then the ends are in a semicircle. So the ends are in a semicircle. Okay. Here also the ends are in a semicircle. Okay. Now what it is? What is the length of the distance between the two inner parallel lines? 60 meter. Then the length of the parallel line 160. Sorry, 106 meter. The wide of the parallel line 10 meter. Clear? And they asking the distance around the track along its inner edges, along with inner edges. Okay, da. Very easy. Da. Sure. Now we can keep the name for the track. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, are you here? Please listen. Sure. Now you can give the name. So A, B, C, D. Right? Inner track. Next, outer track A, B, C, D, E. So you can keep by E, G, H, L. Okay, the edges will be the distance. Okay, enough. That is enough, right? So what is the distance between these two lines? Can you tell me? Anyone? What is the distance? Excuse me, pa. Excuse me. This two. This two, pa. 80. The outer circle area, outer circle distance is 80, right? The diameter of outer circle. Excuse me. Excuse me, pa. The diameter of outer circle is 80. That means, listen, we can write it. Diameter of outer semicircle, right? Semicircle equal to what it is? We can add this value, right? Excuse me, pa. Yes, we can keep better H this one. Then K, give some name. Okay. Now, what is the distance between these two? BC distance 60. So 60 plus wide also 10. Here also 10. So that is 80 meter, right? Excuse me. The outer circle diameter is 10. Inner circle diameter of inner circle, diameter of inner circle, what it is? Huh? What? 60 meter, right? Clear? Sure, okay. From this, you should find a radius. What is the radius? Radius of outer circle. Outer. Very good. Here it is 80 meter. Here I'm asking radius 40. So the distance is 40, right? Clear? Clear? Excuse me. The outer circle radius is 40. Now when we consider the center, right? Excuse me, da. Okay. Next, for this radius, what it is? Inner circle 30. So the inner circle is 30 meter. Are you all clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? No. Okay, super. Now we can proceed a problem because we are a little bit doubt in the radius. Now we found the radius of a end semicircles. Okay. Now distance. They asked the question. Distance. First question. Distance around the track along with what it is along its inner edge. Right. Inner edge is what it is. Circle. Semicircle. So which is equal to what is the AB da? What is the AB here? Inner circle area. They are asking AB plus arc of what it is? The semicircle area, the arc, right? Excuse me, but you can keep a name E. So the length of this arc, then again a distance, again the length of the arc. Clear? Excuse me. Clear? So we just keep a name here B, C, E, K, right? The same thing here L, F, D, we keep J, here I. Clear? Something. Okay. Now AB, what is the AB here? The length along the track. Clear? Length AB. Next, inner arc, what it is? Inner arc. What is the inner arc? What is the name of inner arc, pa? BEC, otherwise you should write a inner arc. So plus arc, you should write ARC, arc. We learned in the 9th standard. Arc. That is BEC. Excuse me, are you clear? Any doubt? Actually, we are finding a length of that is the perimeter of the track, right? So that is along with the inner edges. So first we can add a parallel lines, that is a track, along track, length of the track. Then curly edges. What are the curly edges here? That is a arc, that is BEC. Otherwise, you should write a inner arc. That is enough. Plus, next in this arc, right? In this line, what it is? CD plus again this arc. What is the arc here? DFA. DFA. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, da. That is, we are finding perimeter, nothing to worry. We should add a 106 plus this arc length plus again a 106 plus this arc length. That is the answer, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Now, AB. What is the AB? The length of the track. AB, what it is? Length of the track, what it is? 106 meter plus arc. What is the arc, da? Here it is, looks like a semicircle, right? Excuse me. So what is the semicircle? This arc length, this alone, except this arc alone, what it is? We all know 2 pi r for what it is? Circle. So half of the 2 pi r, right? Excuse me. Plus CD also 106. Here also 2 pi r, that is half of the 2 pi r. That's all. Clear? Excuse me. That is the arc length only. There is not a perimeter. Perimeter in a sense, we should add a diameter also. So here only you are finding a arc length, the above arc length alone. Okay. 106 plus 2 cancel. Now 22 by 7 into what is the radius here? Inner circle. I am asking inner circle radius. Excuse me. Inner circle radius. What it is? 30. You should write 30 plus. Right? Any doubt? Again, here 106 plus 2 cancel. 22 by 7 into 30. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Shall I move to next problem? Sorry, shall I move to next step? Now we can add it 106 plus 106. What it is? 106 plus 106. 212. 212 plus. Now here 22 by 7 into 30 one time. Here also one time. So 2 times of 22 by 7 into 30. Right? Any doubt? Excuse me. Okay. Now you should multiply. 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 30, 0, 0. 3 4 are 12, 2 remaining 1. 3 4 are 12, 2, 1, 13. So the answer is 1320. So 1320, right? Excuse me. Now we should write. Listen. So 212 plus 1320 divided by 7, right? Clear? Any doubt? Now we should take LCM for these two numbers. What is the LCM? That is 7. So we should multiply 7 in the 222. What it is? 14, 4 remaining 1, 4 plus 1 8, again a 14 plus 1320. Clear? Now we should add this two value. 4, 10, 0 remaining 1, 4 plus 4 8, 2804 divided by 7 meter. Clear? Excuse me. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Are you all clear in this problem? Excuse me. So first question over. Second question, what they asking? Second question, what they asked here? Second question. The area of a track. Listen, it's very easy, da. Actually, the area of a track in a sense, this one, right? Area of the track. This entire area. Clear? Excuse me. So what we supposed to do for this? We just consider this is a rectangle. Clear? So find the area of a rectangle. Here also the same rectangle. So area of rectangle plus now this area. So it is a little bit tough. How will you find it? First you should find the area of a outer semicircle. Then you should find the area of an inner semicircle. Then you can subtract the outer circle minus inner circle. That is the area of the path, right? Clear? Excuse me, da. Any doubt? Area of an outer semicircle you can find it. Next area of an inner semicircle. Then you should find a subtracted outer minus inner. It became a area, right? Clear? Any doubt, da? Any doubt? Clear? Sure, okay. Now we can find it. Area of track is equal to, sorry, area of a track is equal to area of, what we can write it here. What is the name they given? What it is? Excuse me. Path. What it is? Area of a rectangular path. What are they? Plus, actually this rectangular path. Next, this rectangular area path. So you can keep a name better. I didn't give a name. A, B, C, D, H. Here also you can give some name. What we can give here? 1 minute. We can give the name, then it is better to call the diagram. Better can give a G. So A, B, G, H, right? Excuse me, rectangular path. A, B, H, G. Plus, next, excuse me, next. The same area of rectangular paths. Which one? D, J, C, I, right? D, J, I, C. D, J, I, C. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Plus, what it is? Area of outer circle minus inner circle area, right? Excuse me. So we should add a area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle, right? Clear? Excuse me. First you should find it, then you can subtract it. Then plus what it is. Again the same thing. Area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. Here inner semicircle. Are you clear now? Excuse me, Excuse me. Okay, we can find one by one. So area of a rectangle. What it is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle. L into B. What it is? What is the L here? 106 into breadth 10. So 1060 meter squared. Clear? Excuse me. So one more path also what it is? One more rectangle area path what it is? The same thing. We can write again area of, we can write one more rectangle. There is a name will be confusion. So one more rectangle is equal to 1060 meter square, right? Clear? Okay. Next area of circular path. We can write circular path. Excuse me, what is circular path? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, right? Okay. So area of outer circle, what it is? What is the area of outer circle? Excuse me. Excuse me. What is the area of outer circle? Formula. Outer semicircle. Excuse me, are you listening or not? Area, pa. I'm asking area. That is perimeter. Here area. Pi r squared by 2. The same thing for here also. Inner circle also pi r squared by 2, but radius is differ. What is the radius for here? First one radius, outer circle 40. So pi into 40 divided by 2 minus here pi into 30 divided by 2. Now we can cancel it. 20, right? Here 15. So 20 into 40, what it is? Pi into 20 into 40? 800. 800 pi minus here 15 into 30, 45. So pi into 450. Clear? Any doubt, Any doubt? Okay, now. Now 800 pi minus 455, what is the remaining? 350. Excuse me. 350 pi. So now we can substitute a pi value. 350 into 22 by 7. 7 and 5 cancel, what it is? 5 times are 35, right? So it is 50. You can multiply now. What it is? 5 to the 10, 0 remaining 1, 5 to the 10, 11, again on 0. So what is the answer? 1100 pi, right? So 1100, excuse me, 1100 meter square. Clear? So it is for area of a one circular path. What is the one more path? Area of one more circular path. Circular path, what it is? What it is, the same value, right? Okay, da. Now we can sum this all the value and we will get an answer, right? Okay, da. Now area of a track is equal to what is the area of a rectangle, da? 106, sorry, 1060, 1060. So 1060, 1060 plus area of a circle, what it is? 1100 plus 1100. Now you can add it, what it is? Now you can add it, what it is? Excuse me. Excuse me, da. 4320. You can add it. Is it exactly right, Ra? Excuse me. So 4320 meters squared. Are you clear, Ra? Excuse me. Any doubt, pa? Excuse me. Excuse me, da.
I hope in this video you may clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.